Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your game is not using your GPU on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in settings, best match should come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. And you want to, on the right side, select display. So go ahead and select that. And then scroll down underneath related settings and select graphics. Now at this point where it says search this list, go ahead and locate whatever application you are having the problem with. So let's say we are having an issue with the Microsoft Store, perhaps. I know that's not our game, but if you're having an issue with Steam, for example, or something like that, go ahead and select that, and then you would select options. Select high performance GPU. So if you have your GPU listed in here, you go ahead and select that, and then select save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.